The ocean is deeper than you think. What's really hiding down there? Imagine a creature with a transparent skull that rotates its eyes inside its head. Ancient aliens farming bacteria 6 miles beneath the ocean's surface. Scientists discovering 13 new species every single day in a world we know far less about than the surface of Mars. What lies hidden in the abyss will shatter everything you thought you knew about life on Earth. For months, I've delved into classified marine research, interviewed deep-sea scientists bound by secrecy, and uncovered discoveries mainstream media refuses to report. The creatures inhabiting our planet's deepest trenches aren't just bizarre, they are rewriting the very laws of biology. And these findings suggest that we may not be alone on Earth in the way we once believed. The Forbidden Zone. They call it the Hadal Zone, depths beyond 20,000 feet, where pressure exceeds 1,100 times what you feel right now. For decades, scientists assumed nothing could survive there. They were catastrophically wrong. In 2019, researchers made a groundbreaking discovery, a thriving ecosystem deep in the Mariana Trench, 36,200 feet below sea level. But what they found defies every biological principle we understand. The pressure down there would crush a nuclear submarine like a tin can. Yet these organisms aren't just surviving. They're thriving in ways that challenge the laws of physics. One species has proteins that strengthen under crushing pressure instead of breaking down. Another repairs its DNA faster in these depths than on the surface. A marine biologist I spoke with, who requested anonymity, said, "What we're witnessing down there isn't mere adaptation. It's as if evolution followed a completely different set of rules." The bioluminescent conspiracy. 90% of deep-sea life creates its own light, but recent research suggests this bioluminescence isn't random. Dr. Sarah Chen's unpublished findings reveal patterns so complex, they hint at intentional communication. Take the vampire squid. It doesn't just flash lights when threatened, it communicates through intricate light pulses. Over 300 hours of footage show these creatures responding to each other's signals across miles. They are talking down there. The anglerfish hides an even darker secret. Its glowing lure contains bacteria that emit light at frequencies invisible to most marine life, except to the specific prey it aims to attract. This isn't just hunting. It's biological technology far beyond what humans have developed. Then there's the Atala jellyfish's burglar alarm, a spinning ring of light that broadcasts on precise frequencies to summon predators. It's effectively hacking the ocean's food chain in real time. Dr. Marcus Webb, a veteran deep-sea communication expert, told me, "These creatures have built what can only be described as an underwater internet, a network spanning ocean basins. And we're only just beginning to understand it. The impossible creatures. The barrel-eye fish's transparent skull is more than bizarre. It's scientifically astounding. Its rotating eyes track bioluminescent prey with precision that surpasses our most advanced technology. Even more incredible, its skull material is stronger than bulletproof glass, yet perfectly transparent. Materials scientists are racing to replicate this bioengineering marvel. Success could revolutionize everything from smartphone screens to spacecraft windows. Consider the giant tube worms, growing up to 8 feet tall with no digestive system. They solve the energy crisis underwater by converting toxic hydrogen sulfide into energy with 95% efficiency, far surpassing our best renewable technologies. But the goblin shark represents a far deeper mystery. Its DNA, largely unchanged for 125 million years, contains genetic sequences unlike anything else on Earth. A geneticist studying these samples confided off the record, "It's like discovering a computer code written in a language we've never seen before. The sequences function, but follow entirely unknown rules. And the sea pig herds roaming the ocean floor aren't just odd, they practice agriculture. These creatures cultivate bacteria on their backs, sharing their harvest with the group through sophisticated social behaviors, mastering farming millions of years before humans. Hidden underwater civilizations. Underwater rivers flowing through the ocean aren't natural curiosities. They're geological highways linking ecosystems across thousands of miles. Recent sonar mapping shows these brine channels form networks more intricate than any human transportation system. Here's the classified part. Some of these underwater rivers bear signs of artificial modification. Sections flow against natural physics, shaped by unknown forces that have been reshaping the ocean floor for millions of years. Hydrothermal vents spewing 750-degree water aren't randomly placed either. They cluster in geometric patterns spanning ocean basins. Dr. Elena Rodriguez's restricted research reveals these vents regulate ocean temperature and chemistry with mathematical precision. She told me, it's as if the ocean has a circulatory system designed by an intelligence beyond our understanding. Even more astonishing are underwater mountains and valleys hiding structures that appear artificial. Sonar images reveal perfectly symmetrical formations stretching hundreds of miles, too precise to be natural rock. The cover-up. Every year, thousands of new marine species are discovered, but only a fraction appear in public journals. The rest vanish into classified databases. Leaked documents I obtained reveal over 12,000 documented species that remain secret. Why the secrecy? Because many discoveries challenge core beliefs about life, intelligence, and our place in the universe. Organisms with DNA containing 6 base pairs, instead of the standard 4, were immediately classified. The official 2023 report of 5,000 new species is just the tip of the iceberg. The real number approaches 15,000, including creatures demonstrating problem-solving skills rivaling mammals. One leaked study describes beings that modify their environment to fashion tools, not merely using found objects, but manufacturing tools through planned, abstract thought. Dr. James Harrison, a former insider turned whistleblower, revealed, "We uncovered technology in the deep ocean, predating human civilization by millions of years. Whenever we tried to publish, the findings were seized and classified." Most unsettling of all are ocean floor structures that appear actively maintained. Something down there is still building, modifying, and operating according to an intelligence beyond our comprehension. What this means for humanity. We are not alone on this planet, and never have been. The deep ocean harbors a parallel civilization that's thrived for millions of years while humanity was still discovering fire. These aren't mere animals adapting. They are intelligences mastering technologies we have yet to imagine. The race to explore the ocean's depths is no longer just scientific. It's a quest to make contact with intelligences that could either solve our greatest challenges or shatter our assumptions about our place in the world. The ocean is deeper and far stranger than you ever imagined. And what's down there is watching us just as closely. Are we ready for first contact with these ancient intelligences perfecting survival for millions of years? What secrets do these deep-sea civilizations hold about our planet that we haven't uncovered? Share your theories below, hit the like button if this opened your mind, and subscribe, because the truth about our oceans is only beginning to surface.